What's up, you guys? King of Homes, Stephen King with Realty Connect USA. For those of you who may not know, I am the first real estate agent to sell a 3D printed home in the United States. And today we're going to be giving you an update on where that project is. Alright guys, so before we get started, make sure to stay up. Alright guys, so before we get started, make sure to hit the bell. Like, comment, subscribe, stay up to date on the channel so we can keep you posted on everything we've got going on. Right now, 34 Millbrook Lane, if you haven't heard of that address, that is the address for the first ever 3D printed home sold in the United States with a CO on the public market. We got the pleasure of being hired by SQ4D to represent them on that sale, and right now that home is under contract. The buyer is extremely excited to get their brand new 3D printed house. So over the last couple of months, SQ4D has been inundated with phone calls. I've been inundated with phone calls. A lot of talent has been reaching out to the company. They're coming on board. SQ4D has been making massive improvements to the machine, the coding, the technology, and now that's going to allow them to implement it into the build, so that way the new buyer is living in a high-tech, state-of-the-art 3D printed house that is the first of its kind. So now we're going to head out to Riverhead, New York. I want to show you guys the property, where it's at, and what it currently looks like. And before you start wondering what the King of Homes drives, just know that I will only drive excellence, the finest, the most purest machinery that mankind has to offer, which is the brand new Tesla. Some people may mistake it for a Ferrari, but believe it or not, it's actually a Tesla. So I'll see you guys after this B-roll. Guys, right behind me is the property where this home is going to be built. I gotta tell you, I've been working with the company for a couple of years now, and just seeing it at this point is pretty surreal, because the amount of work that it took just to get utilities tapped into and get the COs and get the towns ready. I remember meetings 2 years ago with the town of Riverhead, hoping and praying this would come, and we made it happen. Congratulations to SQ4D, congratulations to the buyer. We're witnessing history here together. In a couple of days, we're gonna watch a robot print out a house out of concrete, and it's just pretty special seeing the property already, and it's cool. It's cool. Let me show you guys inside, show you a little bit more detail of what to expect. This is a rendition of what the property should look like. We're super excited. That is sexy, if you ask me. I think it's a very, very attractive home. You guys have seen the model home if you watch some of our other videos, but this is what it all boils down to, is this property right here. Oh, get this. I showed off for no reason. Did you imagine I got hurt doing that? All right, back to business. So the ground is all prepared. They're gonna start printing the foundation once the machine is assembled. The utilities are tapped into. SQ4D has been making major advancements in the technology by leaps and bounds, absolutely dominating the 3D printed space. So I'm looking forward to seeing the finished product. I know they're absolutely gonna kill it, knock it out of the park. You guys are gonna get to watch everything from start to finish, and we're gonna witness history together. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Put that in there, right? Thank you. And a lot more content coming soon, so we're looking forward to witnessing it with you. No, bad outro. I said we're looking forward to 3D printing a damn house. What more do you guys want?